Hi, my name is Dr. Kyle Booth, and welcome to another round of Doc Talks. Today we are talking about why is it that we train? Are we just picking these random movements, or do they actually translate to our life? I want to prove to you and show to you that these movements aren't just randomly picked. We're not picking a squat and a deadlift, farmer's carries, things we're getting up and down off the ground for no reason. It's for our lifestyle. We want to make sure that we are better at things in life. They don't cause us pain. It's not hard. We're more efficient with our bodies. So we're going to translate our movements and show you directly on how that stuff works with our lifestyle throughout the day. So first thing, we're looking at what's we do lots of variations of squatting at Elevate. So squatting, we're going from a low position to a high position, or a high position to a low position. We're going like this. So if we are looking to pick up, say, dirt for gardening, we're going to get in front of that implement. We're going to drop down. We're going to get it as low as we can, brace, and then we're going to bring this up. And now we've essentially done a really low squat. Now, if we don't have the mobility, we don't have the strength to do that, sometimes it can look really funky and people are moving things around with really bad efficiency. So, again, practicing a squat, super important. If we can drop down into a really good squat, keep some good angles, good bracing, and we understand that, it's going to translate really well to picking up really heavy dirt. Second, we hear this all the time when we have back pain patients, is lifting down to pick up laundry. For us, how we train that on the fitness side of Elevate is we go into what's called deadlifting or hinging patterns. So we try to move from the hips, try to keep a really flat, strong torso. So here, dropping into a hinge, grabbing the implement, and now I'm moving that bag of laundry really, really efficiently. A lot of people, if they don't practice this hinge movement, they'll end up being here, yank on it. It doesn't have to be very much weight, and then boom, they'll have an episode of pain. They'll get tired, they'll get sore, those types of things. So again, hinging movements, extremely important to practice on a day-to-day basis. And then you build up thresholds. You get really, really strong at these things. So again, the hinge movement, super important. Another one, here all the time, picking up a bunch of groceries. We pick up groceries. What does this look like on the Elevate side of things? We're doing farmer's carries, we're doing suitcase carries. So people will get really bad positioning. They'll be their upper back, their shoulders, their neck, all that stuff can be kind of cranky. We practice farmer's carries for a reason. We have dumbbells, we'll pick these up and then we'll walk for a given amount of time, creating a little bit of endurance, creating good shoulder and upper back posture. Lastly, getting up and down off the ground. I can't tell you how many times I've heard patients say this is a very big issue for them. Depending on where they're at in their stages of life, if they've had a bunch of injuries, if they're very inflexible or have a mobility restriction, getting down up and down off the ground, it takes a lot of that. So what do we do at Elevate? We practice what's called a Turkish Get Up. So getting down to the ground and getting up off the ground. We go all the way to the ground. We have either a weight or we do this what's called naked with no weight. We come up, drive to the hand, swivel the hips, up, step across, and all the way to the top. What is that teaching? It's teaching very good mechanics for our coming up to a standing position off of the ground. We have to have really, really good flexibility in the hips, really good flexibility in the upper back and torso to keep really good, efficient angles. So that is exactly why we just don't randomly pick movements. We're not just doing a bunch of crazy stuff in the gym. It's all focused to translate to your lifestyle. Very important. So that's the reason that we're doing some of this training. Thanks.